This is Ivy, and it's time for Dollar General's ad preview for the week of 12/28 to 1/3. This ad will end in the first week of 2026, but this is our last preview for 2025, guys. Okay, I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. I had an awesome Christmas, guys. I'm getting ready to go into the new year now with the ad preview, we have the Tostitos buy one get one 50% off. I don't think that's a good deal, guys. If you're watching this on a Saturday, you can still hit the week's deal until it closed tonight, and then this early ad preview will start at 7 p.m. in most stores. Okay. Now the cereal are 4 for $8. Hopefully they'll drop us some type of coupons. Then they gave us the Coca-Cola 3 for $12, which I think is a good deal. But over here they do have save $2 when you get the Pepsi or Mountain Dew, which is 3 for $15. So you'll pay 3 for $13 for these, and these are 3 for $12 for the Coca-Cola and Sprite. Okay, the Red Baron pieces are 2 for $10, and you're gonna see a lot of these 2 4s because of the football season is upon us. Okay, now right here, this coupon is reading a little different. Save $5 when you spend $30 on any P&G with the asterisk. So scan. Whenever you see that little R with the circle in it, around a circle, that means any P&G product. So scan, guys. Then you have fabric softener, fabric products starting from $2 to $19. Buy one laundry and one fabric enhancer. Now remember, if this is a manufacturer coupon, then these coupons down here will stack with it. Okay. It usually does not be one, but it's reading a little different, so we might want to pay attention to that, all right? Then you have the $2 off the Tango Game fireworks. Then you have $2 off game products, and then 2 off ties. So they did separate those products. Now we have another spend deal where you're going to save $5 when you spend $20 on any of these Persil Snuggles all products. They gave us a $2 Persil Purex coupon and a $2 Persil coupon. Those are manufacturers, so this will make a good stack. Okay, so it's going to take off $9 after you buy the $20 worth. Over here you had to save $2 when you spend $14 on any Pepsi Mountain Dew product. We already talked about the 3 for $15 Pepsi or Mountain Dew. Then you have gift cards that's 10% off. Guys, if you finished with the year with the Christmas, I wouldn't even touch those. The batteries, Energizer, are $5.50 off that large pack. We have another save deal. Spend $20 and you'll save $4 on the Scott tissue. But remember, guys, when I had that last video, it said stock up now. Last year, stock up. That's the last video on the look. This tissue is $4.75 when it was 4 for $8. You could have stocked up rack. Now Angel Soft, look at that. They took that $1.40 coupon and gave us back the $1 coupon. We also have on this page, we have more spend deals. The Dr. Pepper Canada Dry A&W is 3 for $6. Then we have the 2 for $10 on the Tombstone also. So you got your pick of which pieces you want to do. We also have the Farm Rich 2 for $9 on snacks. Kraft is 2 for $8. Then you do have Place 2 for $4.50. Early activation on like the 2 for $10 pizzas, the pot sodas, the crackers. Those are all early activations that you can do. Now the Mott's is back 2 for $5. It's just saying applesauce for now. Hopefully it will be back on the juices as well. Then down here, Valentine's Day is upon us already, guys. 2 months ahead of time, and you see all of the goodies that they have. So just keep paying attention to the Valentine's Day things, guys. They have it out already. They did give us that $3 on that Mucinex starting at $4.65, but scan it, guys. The last time it did not attach for me. Okay, then you also have the save $5 off the 3 of the Colgate starting at $3.369. So that's a good deal because you're gonna go be down to $4. Then you have 3 off 2 of the Head and Shoulders. You have a $2 Irish Spring and Soft Soap coupon. $3 off on the Tampax. They have been giving us an awesome deal on these always deals right here. Another spend deal. Now they have a spend deal on the Palmolive Spend 5 Save $1. They start at $125. But look, guys, it's also over here 2 for $5. So you might be able to get a good deal going on, okay? You just might. Making these would be $3. So it saved $2. It saved $2 for $5, and then they gave that $1. So these would be $2 each if it combines with this. Or you can go with the 125s and buy $5 worth. That's all. Now, this is another one. At True Living, they gave us a spend $5, save $2. So now they're going to entice you to take your pick. Like I said, I am not brand loyal, guys. So whichever one, this make good to clean your car with. $4 off on Mr. Clean Freaks. $2 off on the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaner. Then look, guys, they gave us that save $2 when you buy 2 of the Pine Soils and Clorox bleaches, starting at $2.75. So if you want to buy 2 Pine Soils, that would be an awesome deal because they're going to take $2 off. That's a good deal. They also gave us the $1.50 on the True Living glass cleaner. That's a good deal. Puffs. Say that, look, scan the one that puffs down the dollar aisle. Sometimes that attaches. $3 off on the Bounty. Then right here, they have dog food that's on sale. Now, we just had a good dog food and pet food sale, period, okay? Now, right here, we have the $2 off on the Dawn Power Wash. Then we have $2 on the Dawn dish soap. They also gave us $2 on the Arm & Hammer detergent, which you guys know I love Arm & Hammer. $3 off, guys, on the $15.95 of the game. Hopefully they'll give us a manufacturer and a Dollar General coupon to stack with that. They also gave us, what is that? That's the paper towel. Save $2 off on that. Trash bags are $15. Time to start stocking up on replenishing all of those. These trash bags right here are $7.95. Get $1 off. Now, guys, I don't gatekeep. If you have a Menards, which is like a home repair center, they have trash bags for $6.95. Awesome ones that I buy all the time, okay? And then this one right here, you also have the Sparkle tissue, the True Living tissue. They didn't have, remember the good True Living sale they had on the tissue? They didn't have it. $5 off on the Swiffers. This coupon is back. You could do this on a Saturday. They're going to take that $10 off. Then they're going to take that $5 off. That'll be a good deal. Then they gave us the $3 off on the tissue. All of the car appliances are on sale. And if you're looking for a good phone, guys, go to like your stores where they're giving you good deals. That I would not go there. So this ad was okay, guys. I feel like they coming off of a whole month worth of nothing but deals. So that's why this ad is a little slow. It is some good early activations in here, but the one to watch to me would be this deal. I want to see how this deal is going to play out, all right? Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share Ivy's coupon cap. And don't forget to watch my new Dollar Tree 25-cent sale going to pop up on Sunday morning, okay? Bye.